45 food items to reduce your blood sugar. 1. Beans. These are rich in fibers and help you feel full for longer periods. Beans, including black beans, do contain carbohydrates, but they also contain a significant amount of dietary fiber, protein, and other nutrients that result in a relatively low glycemic index rating. 2. Spinach. This is an all-season vegetable which is a very good source of dietary fibers, vitamins, folate, chlorophyll, manganese, calcium, potassium, zinc, phosphorus, protein and carotene. Spinach's glycemic index is almost zero, and which is why it is very helpful for diabetic patients for stabilizing blood glucose levels. 3. Collard green. These are a part of the cruciferous vegetable family and include kale, rutabaga, Brussels, broccoli, sprouts, cabbage, turnips, etc. They provide a lot of nutrients at low calories and are known to lower the blood glucose level in patients with type 1 diabetes and stabilize the lipids, insulin and blood glucose level in type 2 diabetics. 4. Mustard greens. Leaf mustard is very low in calories, 27 calories per 100 grams raw leaves, and fats. However, its dark green leaves carry ample amounts of phytonutrients, vitamins, and minerals. Additionally, it contains the very good amount of dietary fiber that helps control cholesterol level by interfering with its absorption in the gut. 5. Sweet potatoes. Best amongst the potato family, boiled sweet potatoes have a glycemic index of 44, which is why they are considered a superfood for diabetics. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, eating sweet potatoes in moderate amounts will help you keep your blood sugar levels in the healthy range even if you have diabetes. 6. Berries. Berries contain a natural sugar called fructose which does not need to be metabolized. Hence, the fruit is well tolerated in the body. It's advisable to take 2 servings, but always monitor what works best for you. 7. Tomatoes. Fresh tomatoes, when consumed in moderation, are not a problem for managing your blood sugar levels. For example, 1 cup of cherry tomatoes contains 5.8 grams of carbohydrates and 1.8 grams of fiber, which is the equivalent of 4 grams of net carbs, while 1 medium whole tomato has 4.8 grams of carbohydrates and 1.5 grams of fiber, or the equivalent of 3.3 grams of net carbs. Its estimated glycemic index is 2 to 4. 8. Oatmeal. Studies have confirmed that eating whole grains and high-fiber foods helps in reducing the risk of diabetes by almost 35 to 42%. Oatmeal consists of high fiber and whole grains. In addition, it consists of soluble fiber that slows down the rate glucose absorption in the gut, thus ensuring the blood sugar levels are kept at the right levels. 9. Nuts. According to a research from St. Michael's Hospital and the University of Toronto, eating nuts every day could help control diabetes type 2. It is important to note that nuts have a much lower glycemic index which ranges from 14 to 21. They contain relatively minimal amounts of carbohydrates in comparison to the favorite snacks consumed by most of the people such as crackers. 10. Mushrooms. Depending on the kind of mushroom you go for, the glycemic index might fluctuate, although it is always considered as low. With their unique line of nutritional benefits, it also has the benefit of adding a whole new flavor to a meal. Portobello mushrooms are used as a meat replacement because of their beefy texture and nutritional value. It contains 22 calories per 100 grams. 11. Cauliflower. Cruciferous vegetables such as cauliflower are very beneficial in terms of the glycemic load. These vegetables are often seen in the health news since they are known for their heart disease and anti-cancer characteristics. If taken regularly, this unique blend of phytonutrients is very healthy and absorbed well in the body. One can rotate this kind of vegetables so as to avoid eating the same kind every day. 12. Cherries. These fruits rank pretty low when it comes to glycemic index. Though not as low as some vegetables, it's considered healthy to diabetic people. It's definitely a fruit to consider when making a listing of low glycemic index food diet. 13. Coconut. Coconut ranks highly in saturated fats, but if used sparingly, it is not a big threat to your blood glucose levels. Coconuts are used to flavor different types of dishes. Its different parts can be used, be it coconut milk, coconut flour, its flesh, and also coconut water. However, it's important to know which part you are using to determine the glycemic index as well as nutritional benefits. 14. Apple. They say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. This is because apples provide you with fiber, vitamin and minerals and a wide range of nutritional benefits while having a low glycemic index of 39. It requires very little preparation, no special storage, and also easy to carry. 15. Peaches. Peaches are a great food to stock in the season. You can enjoy the natural sweetness in them, and when eaten in moderation they can keep the levels of blood sugars in check. Though the GI changes when peaches are used as a part of the dessert, eating fresh peaches shouldn't raise concerns. Its GI ranking is 28. 16. Whole wheat bread. Whole wheat bread has gained popularity in the recent years. This is because white bread is regarded as unhealthy. However, wheat bread is ranked 49 in terms of GI. This is because it's processed differently from the white bread, hence, has more nutritional benefits. 17. Carrots. Beta-carotene in carrots is known to help with the eyesight and also high in vitamin A. When mixed with peas, they can make a very delicious meal and still keep low glycemic. Carrots have a glycemic index of 19. 18. Broccoli. Broccoli is a superfood often seen in almost every healthy food listing. They are known for providing fiber, minerals, vitamins and nutritional value. They have a very low value of 10 on GI scales and therefore, the body can handle it very well. 19. Peas. These contain 81 calories in every 100 grams serving. They also have high amounts of fiber and a fair amount of potassium. Also, it is a source of vitamin C and protein. Its glycemic index is 39. 20. Milk. Milk is known for providing calcium and vitamin D as well as high protein. Having a glass of milk when you are diabetic is totally acceptable since it falls under the low GI foods with a glycemic index of 31. 21. Yogurt. Yogurt is known because of its active and live cultures which help in the digestive issues by providing good bacteria. Whether you are eating the unsweetened yogurt or the one with artificial sugars, it will still fall under low GI foods. However, low-fat yogurt is recommended. Its glycemic index is 33. Also, it is advisable to consume natural flavored yogurt that is free of any type of artificial sweeteners. 22. Lentils. Lentils are very rich in fiber, minerals and vitamins. They are slowly gaining popularity and are often overlooked when it comes to blood sugar conscious diet. Their glycemic index rank is 30. 23. Grapes. Grapes are very sweet and many mistakenly believe they should be avoided when it comes to diabetics dieting. There are variety types of grapes one can enjoy eating, be it red or white. Whichever kind you love, the glycemic index is considered low and lies between 43 to 53 depending on the kind. 24. Pears. These are often compared to apples, but they contain different nutrients as well as taste. They are a great choice when one is considering a low glycemic index food. Their glycemic index rank is 41. 25. Brown rice. Brown rice is one of the common foods that most of the diabetic people consume. This is because, compared to white rice, a serving is considered to have a glycemic rank of 87 whereas that of brown rice is 55. 26. Peanuts. Peanuts can either be enjoyed as a snack, with butter or even sauce. They are considered as legumes and are very good in keeping someone alert. They are also very good in stabilizing the blood sugars. Their glycemic index as rank is 6. 27. Hummus. Hummus is made up of chickpeas but ranks lower than them. This is due to other ingredients in them such as lemons, tahini, and olive oil. Their GI is virtually zero, but you still need to watch portions so as to avoid gastrointestinal discomfort. The glycemic index is 6. 28. Cashews. These are healthy nuts and can be taken as desired. They act to give you a helping health of polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats. It's also a great source of magnesium and iron. Cashew nut butter is also healthy if one opts for an organic variety. They have a very low GI of 2. 29. Green beans. Green beans are one of the most popular foods often consumed as a side dish. They are relatively low when subjected to GI scale and are also an excellent source of fiber, vitamin C, and minerals. They help strengthen the immune system and also provide antioxidants that help battle free radicals so as to help avoid inflammation. Their glycemic index rank is 15. 30. Oranges. Oranges are known for their vitamin C content, and it's a great fruit to eat to boost your immune system when you notice early symptoms of cold. They can be used as a smoothie, morning fruit, or an all-time top-up. Its glycemic rank is 40. 31. Plums and prunes. These are considered to be low glycemic foods. Though they may vary in scale, they have a considerable amount of nutrition. The glycemic index for plums is 24 and 29 for prunes. 32. Fish. Fish are good for diabetic patients since it's an excellent source of low proteins. They are known to be rich in omega-3, a kind of fat that strengthens the heart and prevent diabetes. Including seafood in your diet and having at least 2 or more servings a week will help a great deal in blood sugar levels reduction. 33. Cinnamon. Although many sprinkle this in our drinks every morning, you might be surprised to realize the health benefits of this wonderful spice. Other than lowering the bad cholesterol and raising the good cholesterol, cinnamon has been proven to lower the blood sugars. 34. Garlic. Many people tend to fear garlic due to bad breath. But garlic extract is known to increase the levels of insulin available for diabetics. It has thereby been proven to reduce the levels of blood sugars. 35. Healthy fats. These are foods such as avocados, nuts, and salmon, tuna, trout, and olive oil. They all contain monounsaturated fats that help lower the insulin resistance. 36. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are minute dark seeds with nutty flavors. They are rich in healthy fats, vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. One of the studies published in Diabetes Care found out that chia seeds play a role in improving blood sugar. Also, it reduces the chances of heart diseases occurring in type 2 diabetic patients. 37. Chili peppers. Capsicum is known to be cultivated for thousands of years and used as food, medicine, and also for decorative purposes. The effectiveness of chili peppers as medicine is that it can activate the transient receptor vanillin. This receptor is associated with neuropathic and inflammatory pain, anxiety, and how our bodies process fats. It's also an important insulin regulator. This study has led to the production of extracts aiming pharmacological strategies to treat medical conditions such as diabetes. 38. Vinegar. Vinegar has been used for centuries for a variety of health problems, including glucose management, dandruff, excessive sweating, fungal infections, and even heartburn. In a study published in Diabetes Care, 2 tablespoons of ACV at bedtime help to regulate fasting blood glucose levels in patients with type 2 diabetes. 39. Lean meats. Protein foods are an important part of diet plan. They include fish, chicken, meats, soy products, and cheese. The difference between these foods is how much fat they contain, and protein. 40. Figs. Although dried figs are available throughout the year, there is nothing more refreshing than the unique texture and taste of fresh figs. The leaves of a fig have been known to contain anti-diabetic properties and can reduce the level of insulin needed by persons with diabetes. 41. Dates. Dates, along with other healthy but relatively unsafe foods for diabetes like peanuts and honey, often get a bad rap. These foods are, however, good for reducing bad cholesterol or LDL. For diabetics, in particular, portion control of these foods becomes very important. 42. Barley. Barley. A cup of cooked whole grain barley consists of 14 grams of fiber. The fiber is 3 grams soluble and 11 grams insoluble. 1 cup of cooked pearl barley consists of 6 grams fiber, which is 2 grams soluble and 4 grams insoluble. Diabetic patients experience alterations in blood glucose level after consuming carbohydrate-rich foods. Barley consists of a GI of 25. 43. Pasta. Unlike white bread or potatoes, pasta is pretty low in terms of its glycemic impact. Many diabetics fear pasta because of its infamously high carbohydrate nutrients. However, with proper proportions, pasta can be safely indulged in a diabetic diet. Limiting portion size and choosing high-fiber whole grain pasta is the key to keeping the blood sugars low. 44. Quinoa. Quinoa is an excellent item to control your blood sugar. A whole grain with a low glycemic index to support an even blood sugar, it is packed with protein, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals. Quinoa is easy to cook and flavorful, and you can incorporate it into a healthy diabetic diet through a variety of ways. 45. Apricots. Apricots are sweet and have a delicate flavor. They have a wide range of nutrients, and this makes them worthwhile to be added in a diabetic diet. Apricots can help you satisfy your sweet tooth without worrying about your blood sugars due to their low glycemic index. Dried apricots are also a great alternative when eaten in small amounts. Apart from lowering the blood sugar within a short duration, the foods also offer the body other benefits that include boosting body immunity, repairing of worn-out cells, and checking on most of the lifestyle diseases.